Hello everyone, welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful DeLonghi Magnificent XS. Now for this machine we get a tune-up, and it desperately needs a tune-up as the previous condition of the machine was in really bad shape. I have a couple of pictures right here that I can show you, and as you can see, this is the brew unit infuser that we have right here. That's the one. And when I open the service door, which is located right here in the tank, second. This one right here, and as you can see, we totally cleaned that up, everything inside. I found a bunch of old coffee in there, like it was just really bad. Even the grinder as well, when we removed all the pieces, the fuser, the transmission, everything inside was just completely covered in coffee, and it was in really bad shape. Yeah, even the water tank as well had some stains of I don't know exactly what it is. We cleaned that up. What we didn't clean was the filter. I would not recommend to use this filter. I would recommend a replacement. We cleaned the whole water tank as best as we could to remove some of that thing. And as you can see, this is after we clean it. That's the grinder, the one we previously saw right here. We clean it completely. We deep clean the water tank as well, as you saw. Clean all that area. Deep clean everything inside. Relubricate the transmission. Replace the O-ring from the mechano valve. Deep clean really everything basically. Make sure that all that coffee that was there was gone. What else we did? We descaled the machine twice. We found a lot of scale build up in the machine. So we had to descale it twice in order to remove as much as we could. And yeah, that's all we did. This machine desperately needed a tune-up, and we gave it one. So starting with a shot of espresso, we're gonna test it out. No, give me 1 second, I forgot to put coffee. Be right back. Okay, now that we have some coffee on the grinder, we're just gonna do one espresso shot, and we're using the setting number 3 on the grinder. And match flavor for the I forgot to mention that we did replace this infuser. This one, it's in bad shape. Excellent flow, really good color, and 2 ounces, which is perfect. And now for the hot water. As you can see, steady coming out of the machine. Looking good. And now for the steam. Which is gonna take a little bit for the machine to get some pressure, and then we're just gonna let it run. Temperature inside is pretty warmish, so we won't be able to see it completely fully. So as you can see, I can feel really good pressure, excellent temperature as well, working perfectly fine. And there you have it, the DeLonghi Magnificent XS working once again. We gave it that tuner that this machine desperately needed. Thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content like this every day, and thanks for watching.